Hello, hello. This is Chris Price Music with Sibelius Scholar, and today I will be talking about how to make your forte piano sound better. So first of all, let me get a trombone. And now let's add a whole note to it. And now let's give it a forte piano. And let's give it a crescendo. And let's make it go to a marcato. And let's give it a double forte. Perfect. Now when we do the playback, it doesn't really do the forte piano part the best. If I put an accent on it, it's still not going to be the best. Let's hear it. So there's a way we can make this sound a lot better. We go up to play, dictionary, and inside here are all sorts of goodies. I'll be doing a video on that here soon. But let's get to the forte piano, and as you can see, we have a lot of things going on. So they have the initial dynamic, how fast a decay happens, and the end dynamic. So I think this stuff is not good enough. I don't think 90 to 61 is a very good ratio. So if we change it to, let's say, 110 and bring it down to, I like 35, around there. It really depends. Now when we listen to it, we'll notice something. It's still not really doing it. What's going on here? So I talked about this in a video before, but the forte piano and the crescendo are starting at the exact same place. And because of that, they're fighting each other. It doesn't know whether to do a crescendo or a forte piano. So let's take the crescendo and let's scooch it until it's further away from where the forte piano starts. Now, as you can see, now it's getting into this double fortes range. So we need to take it and scoot it back. It can be a little bit tricky to grab it. As you can see, I'm having trouble right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll just take this guy and move it. There we go. So now they're not in each other's ways at all. All the dynamics are not interfering. So now when we play it, that is so much better. So if you wanted to, you can make it come down a lot quicker. Instead of the 20%, we can move it to 10%. So it stings it faster and then brings the volume down. And if we wanted to make it even more dramatic, we could change it to something like 20. Now let's hear it. And that's how you get your forte pianos to sound a lot better. Of course, I'm using Note Performer, which I highly recommend for anybody that wants to use Sibelius. It was made for Sibelius, sounds great, but other sounds will work as well. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Chris Price Music with Sibelius Scholar. Leave a like if this helped you out and subscribe for more videos.